How to add AI traffic on BeamNG Drive. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can spawn traffics or customize cars that will serve as a traffic on highways on any types of roads that you have on BeamNG Drive. Now there's actually two methods of doing this. The first method is hitting on the escape plus R on your keys. Then all you have to do is just to hover your mouse into the AI traffic field, and then from there you should be able to see options to spawn normal or to spawn heavy. Now you just have to wait for a couple of minutes for the traffic to show up. It's going to be depending on your GPU. And then the other thing that you can do is just to hit on the escape on your keys once again. And from there, choose on options and choose on traffic options or traffic settings. That's the time that you can customize the amount of vehicles that will spawn on your current location, and then the amount of parked vehicles and many more settings that you can adjust. And that's it. That's how you add AI traffic on BeamNG Drive.